This is your Costway Iron Max toolbox, tool chest. As you can see, it's got its owner's manual, the manual for putting it together. It's pretty much all together when you get it. 4 locking wheels on it. As you can see, it's got a nice open space here, all locked within your lock bar. Your top has 4 shelves locked within your lock bar. And then you have a top piece with lots of room and a place for a lock. You have a side piece for tools and your back, your handles. The top piece comes off if you want to travel with one. Nice handy little thing.